Hi there. Today I'm going to make a quick video on how to edit the hero image on your Thinkific site. Hero image, first of all, the term is not familiar to a lot of people, and what that means to some people is this big block right here. And so just another background and key fact that I want to remember before I go into the steps of how to edit your banner image is that this is all done on Thinkific's new Site Builder feature. The advantages of Site Builder are that you can edit and make your website for your course look really pretty and really awesome without a single line of code. And that's really important because not all of us are coders, not all of us like to code, or nor do we want to invest in a coder to redesign our site and make it look nice. You can have a great site just by using the different features in Site Builder where you can pick the colors, drag and drop, and move things around. But going back to the point of this video is that this right here, this block is the gray with the circles and all those little lines. That is a hero image. That is also considered a banner. You know, some people say hero, some people say banner. That's just to give you a little bit of context about the terminology. And you might think, well, I don't really like that background. It doesn't really suit my brand. It doesn't suit my course, and I want to change it. And you're not really sure how to change it. Well, the best way to change it is by going into your settings and then going under, when you go into your settings, look for banner. And then under banner, you'll see headings, which will allow you, instead of say welcome, you can say welcome to my course. And it changes at an instant and what your course is about. And then the hero image. So I'm currently using a default hero image because I don't have an image to play with. But if I want, I can adjust the hero image, existing hero image, play with the colors. So red or maroon, you know, just have fun with it. But back to this, if I wanted to change the image, I just have to click on Upload New, and then look for images on the web, which is brilliant. I can say maybe engineering, and pick from a variety of images. And none of this is really what I'm about, but I'll just pick one just for demo purposes. And then click Upload. And there it goes. The image that I've chosen has been already stretched to fit my Thinkific site. So, hope this video was helpful. And remember, the beauty of the Site Builder theme is that you can modify the existing default image, change the colors. This is a little strong, but I can kind of lighten it a little bit, make it even more stronger. And the point is just to have fun with it. There's no right or wrong way when you're just starting out. It's just really the beautiful part is just, you know, just play around with it. And so I hope this video was helpful, and leave a question or comment if you have any other questions or requests for other videos. I'd love to make videos for you.